I'm Storm Tracker AT meteorologist Austin Haskins with your Wednesday weather forecast. We've been dealing with some slick road conditions once again this morning, and also with the freezing drizzle that's been around, we've been dealing with some fog too, and that has been a little more prevalent this morning compared to yesterday morning. And going forward today, generally going to be seeing visibility between about roughly 1.5 miles to 3 to 4 miles. So not overly dense, but at times it will be locally denser in spots. And we've seen that this morning already over towards Medford, Abbotsford, and the Marshfield areas, and that will continue kind of throughout the day. Might improve a little bit by the afternoon, and then we'll see it kind of make a return heading into tonight. And Futurecast is going to show throughout the day just a couple isolated showers, maybe some wintry mix at times depending on temperatures across the region. And then tonight, we could have a slightly better chance, especially overnight and into the day tomorrow, at least increasing the number of showers around. And again, in the morning hours and during the early evening hours and evening hours tomorrow, there could be the potential for some freezing rain and a wintry mix. So definitely going to be dealing with some slow travel at times over the next 48 hours. And you can see this run of Futurecast keeping everything down to the south and east. Let's take a look at the high resolution rapid refresh model, or the HRRR. And this one is showing, again, some spotty activity today. And then tonight it's showing a little more, widespreadness of the precipitation. And again, when you're seeing the pinks on here, that's indicating the potential for mix and even a little bit of some sleet and freezing rain at times. So be mindful of that. But I'm more confident in saying by the afternoon, any precip that does fall should be in the form of rain, as we'll get back into the mid to upper 30s. And then if we could turn cold enough, maybe to our east Thursday evening, could even see a little bit of snow mixing in, but I really don't see snow being a major issue with this wave of precip. Certainly there could be a little bit, but it's not going to be anything too significant. Mostly going to be rain and a little bit of that freezing drizzle and freezing rain. So the travel tracker for today and Thursday, not expecting snowy roads. Wind is going to be very light. I do have at least some icy slick conditions for those roads in the moderate category and the reduced visibility. It's not going to be a widespread thing, but certainly we're going to have it around in certain locations at certain times. So while your location, it might not be slippery at one time, it could be at another time. So just use caution if you're going to be traveling over the next couple of days or so. Your hometown forecast today, highs generally about 33 to 37 degrees. So by the afternoon, we will get above freezing. So any slick roads should be in better shape and improved by then. For tonight, only falling back to really either side of freezing again. The better chance for precip is really going to be from, say, Dunn, Barron, and Pepin counties east. I think if you're farther west, you're probably not going to see as much, or the chance there is a little bit lower. Tomorrow, we'll have highs about 34 to 38. Again, a few showers, some freezing rain and mixed precip early in the day and also tomorrow evening. And then by Friday, we'll be even a little warmer yet, with highs about 35 to 40 area-wide. Cloudy skies persisting. Sun could maybe peek out in a spot or two, but I don't really think we're going to see much sun Friday and Saturday. It may not be till Sunday that we'll actually see a little more sun in the forecast. And then higher pressure is going to strengthen and move in next week, and that will allow for temperatures to warm up into the 40s, and we're going to see a little more sunshine.